Pakistan's legitimate Prime Minister Imran Khan, who has now been arbitrarily detained for the past 400 days, spoke with a reporter informally after a trial in a makeshift courtroom inside the Adiala jail. He said that he and his wife are in prison because of the army chief and the deal that he made with Nawaz Sharif in London. Imran Khan said that he would take both the army chief as well as the chairman of the National Accountability Bureau to court. Speaking about the growing crisis in Balochistan, Mr. Khan said that had there been no PTI in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, there could have been a similar crisis there. The solution to this is not in the use of force, but to let the people's chosen representatives come forward, urging the people to come out for the rally on September 8th. The founding chairman of Pakistan, Tehreek-e-Insaf, said that the nation should know that he is in jail for them, and that this is a fight for true freedom. He said that freedom comes with justice, and for that the nation must step out. He reiterated that this is the people's fight for their genuine freedom and democracy. Imran Khan said that Pakistan doesn't need force, it needs justice, and that when there is justice, there is peace. Despite containers being placed all over Islamabad to block routes, motorways closed to prevent people from reaching, a large number of police deployed on every road leading to the Jalsa venue, nearby shops shut, leaving people without access to food. Tens of thousands of Pakistanis attended PTI's Jalsa in Islamabad at the call of Pakistan's legitimate Prime Minister Imran Khan. Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf had the government's permission to hold this political rally at Sangjani, at the outskirts of Islamabad. This rally had been cancelled earlier last month when permissions were withdrawn by the regime just before the event. The crowd was highly charged, demanding the release of their leader along with other political prisoners, the return of their stolen mandate, and an independent judiciary. Many families and participants of all ages and backgrounds were present. This was a massive crowd that remained peaceful throughout, yet made sure that their message to the powers that be was loud and clear, quote, "Pakistan belongs to the Pakistani people," unquote. Overseas Pakistanis in Houston joined in to call for the restoration of democracy and the release of Imran Khan. The rally was led by Pakistan's former Deputy Speaker of the National Assembly, Mr. Qasim Khan Suri, and the PTI Overseas Chapter Leadership, Mr. Sajjad Burki and Mr. Atif Khan. Overseas Pakistanis gathered in London, Manchester, and Birmingham on Sunday in solidarity with their fellow Pakistanis who attended the Islamabad Jalsa on the call of Imran Khan. Their demands are the release of Prime Minister Imran Khan, restoration of the stolen mandate, and independence of judiciary. The Supreme Court of Pakistan has restored the anti-corruption law amendments passed by members of parliament from the Sharif's Muslim League and Zardari Bhutto's People's Party. Billions of rupees that both parties' members amassed through corruption will be written off because of these NEB amendments. The amendments were opposed by former Prime Minister Imran Khan, although their reinstatement could help him in the many cases that the regime has fabricated against him. 26-year-old Aysenur Ezgi, a Turkish woman with American citizenship, was killed by Israeli army fire during a protest in the West Bank town of Beida, near Nablus. Longtime Israeli activist Jonathan Pollock described the killing as intentional. He went on to state that, quote, "There is nothing to justify the shot. The shot was taken to kill," unquote.